up, guys?
Mario, boy George, Carlos. We're gonna start, rolling on YouTube, right into events and stuff. And COVID hit. Y valió madre. They say he paranoid with the tags. Yeah. Think of my dumbass where I'm at, bro. Not supposed to be driving.
Dile. Hey, Renee.
Renee.
No tags.
No tags.
Nothing.
Nothing.
No insurance on it. Come on. Who send it?
Right. Hey, he has insurance.
You black? Hey, mira, Renee. No license plate. No stickers.
Y la placa parece que ni es de aquí, güey. So, this COVID stuff hit. And, slowed everything down. We were going to start rolling the shows. Everybody's trucks are getting worked on slowly. We just got the Tahoe A1. I'll link Mario's YouTube on here. George's truck. He just recently got double sunroofs. He's on the process of selling the wheels that we just uploaded a video of. He's in the process of selling those. He's doing, changing it up a little bit. I'm actually dropping my OBS off for a step notch, so soon you'll see that.
Oh shit! Now he decided to pull up.
Right. Oh, the wheels probably. Yo, right here. The Yonki. Yep, it needs paint. I know. The Tahoe. The Smurf is actually at the shop right now. At our little shop. My old wheels. Man. You got my boy right. Boy, Nene finally decided to show up.
Look, I'm not drinking beer. No.
And he's not drinking.
I'm gonna put the wheels in his truck and his shit on the cuts off. Only me fucking wheels are gonna fucking hit the wheel and fly up. Yeah. 6-leg conversion? No.
6-leg conversion right now. Alright, well, let's get to it.
Nah, fuck that. Leave him on there. Steven don't get shit.
The old wheels.
Right.
It's not me, dog.
No, we have to get to him.
Stevo's phone flashlight will work.
Man, you got a Note 22?
Huh?
You got a Note 22?
Yeah.
Damn.
You got one too?
Yeah, bro.
Big ballers, right?
Ooh. he's about to buy this one off me, and I'm gonna get the 21.
Which one is that one? Let's see. We got more cameras than you, though. No. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I
don't know.
This is 5 cameras. This is a 50. No, this one. Thumbprint.
Hey, don't shake the truck too much, for real.
I thought we.
Yeah, for real.
I'll hold the camera, bro.
No, go ahead.
Lay under there and then you shake?
Yeah, lay under. Just don't shake the truck too much. You'll be fine.
Oh,
see?
shit.
Told you.
All that weight.
Heavy wheels.
I don't want to get dirty. Charge. I'll pay you labor, bro.
Oh, all right, bet. We'll both up right now. I got you. 20 a tire. Nah. Nah, we'll do it right now. I got you. I'm gonna put my other jacket on because this jacket's clean. Right.
Pero yo voy a balancear ahorita también.
Just let this nigga ride the off-road wheels on the drop for now.
Right. Put the 30. What is it? 30 what? Or no, they're regular, right? Street tire? Oh, okay.
The
regular street tires, isn't it?
Yeah, they're street tires.
With the offset.
Yeah, the offset, you going that bed's gonna go bye-bye.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That boy no jale, güey.
We got a problem. Oh, right there.
Fuck y'all do.
We almost lost the front split. Surveillance, my bad, not a splitter.
I gotta work at 6 though. But for me that's normal.
George be going to sleep at 3 in the morning.
I don't even go to sleep, bro. I just every time I go to work.
That foco life.
Por eso se cae el güey.
That's why, right? That's why he be falling from the
That's
tail.
why he be falling out the roofs.
he likes doing flips.
Man, I be feeling my jaw sometimes, bro. That's been an accident before.
Shit, I bet,
Cramping
güey,
up,
no
bro.
mames.
Ahí está, ahora sí.
On the weekend I live in Houston, you know?
They go roll that back tire.
So what is it like when you go? What do you do? It's like a big ass parking lot or what?
Nah, he just goes to bullshit.
No, I'm talking about to the fucking Circuit America.
Oh, yeah.
This nigga said goes to bullshit, nigga. I already knew that, but here he told me the story.
I go explore Houston, bro.
How the fuck you extract those lug nuts like that with your finger? No, you see that shit?
Yeah.
It was his finger and then come on.
They get stuck to the...
Oh, you put your finger in the middle of it.
Yeah. My fat
He's
fingers.
like, "Whoop."
Did
That's why he's a thief, nigga. You know?
it.
Thief at night.
He does lug nuts like that.
Yeah.
You pick it up
That's
against you.
what-
No.
Right. Hey, Hulk, come back.
Damn.
No, halfway off.
No.
This boy needs tie rods.
You need brake pads too.
He going 6s with no brakes. This way.
I'm gonna just take off my brakes.
No, you gotta cut your springs. Nah.
You want to cut your springs? I'll bring the grinder right now.
Right. Oh, we're going the Houston way. Nah. Cut springs, camber game.
I'm gonna go sign them up before work tomorrow.
I should burn everybody Jack in the Box tacos. No.
He owes me some Wingstop.
This nigga.
He said,
What
come
happened to
on, Hope.
McDonald's?
Push it that way.
What happened to McDonald's? I thought we were getting McDonald's.
He said, forget Jack in the Box.
There you go. I told you I was technically not off the ground. I like that color. Man, Steven, forgot to clean it.
Tires in the way.
Oh,
You don't got like a screwdriver or something to put it on home?
yeah, I got a whole stick.
The whole shit.
Thanks, Steve.
I was looking clean, bro.
You didn't wash it though.
Mm-mm.
Fresh detail tomorrow.
Hell yeah.
Sheesh.
That's gonna be a long way down, bro.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm gonna scrap my smash my hand, but I don't think it's gonna go down that.
Nah, just watch your head.
It all fucking.
There you go.
Alright, bro, man.
Así quedó. Little man helping us out.
Bro.
He's coming around for sure.
It looks good. He's gonna get a detail tomorrow.
I can't wait to drop it, dog.
Oh yeah. Stay tuned. We're gonna help him drop it. He's going 410, step notch, tub, everything, the whole 9 yards. All right, yo. That was the small move of today. The Mama Whiskey.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. George's MBS. But stay tuned. That was just a little something we put together for y'all.
Stay tuned for tomorrow. We got another vlog coming.
Oh yeah.
Make sure to
Yeah.
check that out.
Yes sir. We're gonna hit Circuit of America, so let's see how it goes. Peace.